my second blogger project I did, and I am learning, so you can follow me and learn from my mistake. This one picture I took a screenshot from Pinterest, and I was in a rush to try my second project, and that's the mistake I did. And always take your time and print out the proper image, because the image when you took a screenshot from the Pinterest or somewhere else, it's not in a clear image and it left the ink marks on the shirt. So because of the white, you can see the leftover bleeding ink everywhere, and that's a mistake I did. And second mistake I didn't mirror the image. And I once put the Chanel logo and applied the heat resistant tape, and I applied heat, and once after, when the time was done, I removed the paper. I realized that the image was not mirrored. The Chanel logo was on the other side, and once I removed the paper, I realized the image was not mirrored. So always mirror your image. Second thing I learned this. And third thing I learned that always put the paper underneath on the mat and in the middle and also on the top. As you can see in my white color shirt, the ink transfer from the mat. Because of my previous project, it left the marks on the mat and I can't able to see, but once I applied heat, it transferred to the shirt. So always put a paper underneath too. And this is a final picture you can see.